If you own an Android device, it is imperative that your device system is up to date. Running with the latest version will ensure that you have access to the latest features and enhanced device security system. In this tutorial, I will show you how to update your RealMe C12. Here's how. Open the app drawer and look for Settings and tap on it. When you're inside Settings, scroll down and look for Software Update and tap on it. Now, if there's an available update, tap the Update Now button. During the update, you have to wait for a few minutes to complete the process. When the update is finished, you can use again your RealMe C12. That's it. I hope this tutorial helps. Please support our channel by subscribing and hitting the notification bell. Thanks for watching.